So this summer session, you guys are going to be using Edgenuity to be able to complete your summer school courses, right? I will link that in our Google Classroom. I will also put the user ID and the password, which is summer. Right, so your username is your ID number at cv.k12.ca.us. This is also your email address and also what you use to log into Aries. The password is summer. One thing about this is if you miss 2 days in a row of Edgenuity, because you have to be able to log in and show me that you're doing progress or that you're making progress, then you'll be dropped, okay? So this is how it is graded. This is how Edgenuity allocates its grades, right? So quizzes are worth 25% of the grade. Tests are worth 45%, exams are worth 20%, and assignments are worth 10%. So all of that is what you will see in Edgenuity, right? That part you don't need to know so much about. This is what you need to know. These are the scores that you need to have on the quizzes, tests, and final exam in order to move on, right? They won't actually let you move on unless you get these scores, right? So quizzes, you need to have a 70% on the quiz to move on to the next part. Tests, you need 60%, and final exam, you need 60% as well. The quizzes, you have 3 tries in order to get a high enough score. For the tests, they're locked. You have to let me know when you want them unlocked. So just Google Hangouts me, or you can text my Google Voice or email me or anything like that. Just let me know when you want it unlocked. There might not be a time where we're actually online at the same time where you want it unlocked and I can unlock it right then and there. So just give me a time when you want to take it. And then you have 2 hours in that window once I unlock it to be able to take that test. Progress, right? So you have to log in every day to Edgenuity and make progress on that, and that's part of your attendance. Another thing is on Google Classroom, I will post a question of the day. Don't worry, it's just going to be a random question of the day just to mark your attendance. Progress on Edgenuity as well. So not only do you have to hit those scores, those percentage of the scores, but you also have to complete 8% of the course per day in order to stay on track. Right? And on Aries, I will be able to mark what your progress is so that you can check there. You can also check on Edgenuity. There is a welcome video. Once you log in, it'll show you how to do that. If you finish early, that's awesome. Good for you. You'll just have to respond to the question of the day on Google Classroom just for attendance purposes. Okay? So that part is Edgenuity.